So I just finished this build with the Furibee 30A Heli 32 ESCs. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm testing right now, and I got these because they were super cheap. They're only $5.99, and I just finished this build, and one of the ESCs is no good. So let me show you what happens. I have tried rewiring it. I have tried it on a different motor, and I've tried it on different pads. So it's definitely the ESC that's no good. The motor is twitching. So let me show you what happens. I'm going to go into beta flight and start up the motors. So you can see that this is motor 1 and it's twitching. And I've switched motors around, I've switched the wires, I've rewired it. So it's definitely the ESC. I've flashed the new firmware onto the ESC, so it's 100% bad ESC. Now this motor just twitches. No matter what I do, it just won't spin right. So I'm going to reach out to GearBest and see if they can do something about this ESC, because it's definitely no good. So I'm going to see if they'll replace it for me so I can actually test these budget ESCs. And hopefully I'll have this fixed up soon if GearBest can get back to me and replace the ESC for me, because I was going to buy an extra one, but I didn't, and I wish I did, because now I have to put this aside and stop what I'm doing, and I'd rather not take it apart to test some other ESCs. So GearBest, help me out. Please send me another ESC, because I want to get these tested. I'm going to post a video. I've got bunch of other ESCs that I'm going to test. I have your 30 amp BL Heli S ESCs that I'm going to be testing. So just get me another ESC. I'll have this tested. I'll post some videos. So that's it.